This is Eric with Elite Custom Golf Carts. I'm here to tell you how to change a screen on your Denago golf carts. Today I'm just going to use a drill and a very small Phillips head and then a size 5 Allen key. Alright, and then we're just taking these 4 screws out. Two. Just lift this out. We've got all our connections here inside this hole here. So just kind of release them, pull the tension out. There you go. There's all your connections. So you'll just undo these. You set this down. It's antenna, backup camera, and a couple of main power. And this really long one is always plugged to a USB. Alright, that's it. That takes 2. And then we're going to take the housing off of the back of the screen. So just grab your drill and take these 4 very small screws out of the corners here. Be careful not to strip them. So essentially once you get the last screw out of the housing, you'll take the housing off of the screen and it just folds back through the wires there, and you're going to put that on your new screen. Just thread them all through. Set it on the back there. You'll put the housing back on and all those screws back in. Alright, now we're going to put it on its face and plug everything back in. Each of these plugs are unique, so the male and female ends, you can't mess them up. This is what comes off of the old screen, it goes into this antenna plug right here, but most of the time they're mounted on the underside of these screens. So most of the time you'll have to peel them off. Make sure you do a meticulous job so you don't lose any of that stickiness. And the motherboard's right under there, so if you do have any of it come off, it might damage that, so be careful. If you do drop any of your cables through the hole, this compartment right here is easy to take out, and that'll get you pretty easy access to those cords. And then this compartment just slides out. Drop the USB, just this guy right here, back up through there, plug that guy in, now you're all set. Cool. Push all these cords back in. I did want to mention that the new screens, the Gen 2 screens, already have this device plugged into it. So this is the CarPlay receiver. You can remove this since the other one is already mounted on the back of that screen. Just go through your settings and make sure that they're all loading up. And put your screws back into these mounts. If you need any other parts or accessories for your Denago golf carts, go to Elite Custom Golf Carts, the link in the description.